everyone, and welcome to another beautiful evening of music, another Shame Gana. As always, we are live from the New Jersey area of the United States on this lovely evening as we close in on the Thanksgiving season here in the US, but also celebrate Children's Day across India and across the Indian diaspora. Today, we also have in our minds and hearts the anguish and devastation which has affected our brothers and sisters in Delhi just a few days ago. And we stand in solidarity with our great nation of India, and we hope and we yearn for love, for happiness, and perhaps above all, peace to come to all in that region. But today we also celebrate another rich evening of music from the Indian subcontinent, music which has enthralled all of us over the years. You will relive the talented voices of Yashudas, of Rafi, of Mahendra Kapoor. You will experience the musical genius of Madan Mohan, of Shankar Jaikishan, and the sheer magic between a famed father and son, the great Burmans, with our opening number in just a minute or so. And you will feel the everlasting words of Shailendra and of Sahil Ludhianvi echo through your soul, through your zehen, over the course of this evening. The poets, the shayars of the Hindi film industry, who were such pillars of its success through the decades. Shayer-e-fitrat hu main. It's in my nature to be a poet. This is a sher from Jigar Muradabadi. Shayer-e-fitrat hu main aur fikr farmata hu main. Shayer-e-fitrat hu main और फिक्र फरमाता हूँ मैं, रूह बनकर जर्रे जर्रे में समा जाता हूँ मैं. Zarre zarre is every particle. रूह बनकर जर्रे जर्रे में समा जाता हूँ मैं. So we will fill your evening, every ounce of your evening, with music and magic. My name is Kishle Baranwal and I'm your host this evening. Allow me to take you on a beautiful ride through the ages, and we will kick off the show with my good friend Naren ji. Naren Patel is from Gujarat, but was incidentally born in East Africa. A civil engineer, he ended up moving to London and managed a very successful business there for almost 4 decades. He's passionate about singing from his college days and is a frequent act at several New Jersey and US based shows where he now lives. Naren has a great appreciation of sound engineering and also has a mini alter ego where he goes by the name of Neil Mama. Now I promised you a twin Burman special. Naren opens the night with a very special song composed by R.D. Burman and sung by the one and only S.D. Burman. This is actually around the time of the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. And if you haven't guessed it yet, you will recall those famous lines that Rajesh Khanna's character spoke in the film. Pushpa, I hate tears. Yes, the film is Amar Prem, and here is Naren with Doli Mein Bithaye Ke Kaha.
Hello, good evening. Thank you once again, Indus TV, Dr. Tushar Bhai, and giving me this opportunity to be on this Shame Gana program again, episode 293, and to be part of this wonderful, platform what he's using it, and been doing it for over 2 years now. So it's my privilege to start the first song today. Thank you so much. And I will be doing the S.D. Burman, as Kishle Bhai said. डोली में बिठाई के कहा, डोली में बिठाई के कहा, लाए मोहे सजना के द्वार। ओ डोली में बिठाई के कहा, बीते दिन खुशियों के चार, देखे दुख मन को हजार। ओ डोली में बिठाई के कहा, मर के निकलना था, मर के निकलना था घर से सावरिया के, जीते जी निकलना पड़ा। फूलों जैसे पाँव में पड़ गए छाले रे, कांटों पे जो चलना पड़ा। पतझड़ ओ बन गई पतझड़, ओ बन गई पतझड़ बैरन बहार। डोली में बिठाई के कहा, जितने हैं आंसू मेरी, ओ जितने हैं आंसू मेरी अखियों में, उतना नदिया में ना हिरनी। ओ लिखने वाले तूने लिख दिए कैसी मेरी टूटी नैया जैसी तकदीर। रूठा माजी ओ माजी रूठा माजी, ओ माजी रे रूठा माजी टूटी पतवार। डोली में बिठाई के कहा, टूटा पहले ये मन, ओ टूटा पहले मन, अब चूड़िया टूटी, हुए मेरे सपने चूर। कैसा हुआ धोखाया पवन का झोंका, मिट गया मेरा सिंदूर। लुट गए ओरा लुट गए, ओ रामा मेरे लुट गए 16 सिंगार। डोली में बिठाई के कहा, लाए मोहे सजना के द्वार। ओ डोली में बिठाई के कहा, Thank you. Thank you so much.
What a soulful way to start, Dhaninbhai. That's beautiful. I've heard you sing a lot of SD Burman songs, and this one is a very, very special one. Thank you for getting the evening off to a.
Thank you, Kisle ji.
Now we move on to another very talented singer, and it is my pleasure to introduce Aanchal Sinha on her debut on Shame Gana. Aanchal is originally from Allahabad, now Prayagraj, has a master's in Hindustani classical music from Allahabad University. She's a very versatile singer and sings across genres, and you will see her showcase that through the course of this evening. She will bring to life a Manna Day classic. We stay with S.D. Burman. This is a song called Poocho Na Kaise Maine Rain Bitai, written by Shailendra from the film Meri Surat Teri Aankhein from the 60s. Over to you, Aanchal.
Thank you, Kishlaji. Hello, everyone. And I'm super glad to join the stage with so many talents here, like Jignesh ji and Naren ji. And thank you to Shame Gana team.
एक जुग बीता एक पल जैसे, एक जुग बीता जुग बीते मोहे नींद न आई। पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई।
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful, Achalji. That was terrific. Mesmerizing indeed. So all हमारे सब श्रोतागण, you can feel that we have a really special evening lined up for you. So thank you for joining us again, and do stay the course of this evening. So we now stay in the 60s, and I have the chance to introduce our next singer for the evening, Dr. Jignesh Vakil. He's a pharma director by profession and engaged in cancer research. A passionate singer, he has been learning music more actively in recent years. And speaking of years, he's going to sing a song for us called 100 Saal Pehle from the Nasir Hussain film Jab Pyar Kisi Se Hota Hai. Now this film features Dev Anand, but it almost had a song which became a huge hit for Shammi Kapoor instead. A few years later, the 1968 movie Brahmachari had a song which you all know, Aajkal Tere Mere Pyar Ke Charche. And this song was originally composed by Shankar Jaikishan for this film, Jab Pyar Kisi Se Hota Hai, but couldn't make the cut. A fussy Nasir Hussain left it for Brahmachari, and that's how Shammi Kapoor ended up, being treated with that immaculate favorite of ours over the years. So I bring to you Jignesh Ji, who will relive this popular Mohammed Rafi song 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था.
Good evening, good morning everyone. Thank you Kishle ji and thank you Tushar bhai for such a wonderful platform. So yeah, let's do this. 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। सदियों से तुझसे मिलने जिया बेकरार था, जिया बेकरार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। तुम रूठा ना करो, मेरी जान निकल जाती है। तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमक जाती है। तुम रूठा ना करो, मेरी जान निकल जाती है। तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमक जाती है। मुझे जीते जी ओ दिल भर तेरा इंतजार था, तेरा इंतजार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। सदियों से तुझसे मिलने जिया बेकरार था, जिया बेकरार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। इस दिल के तारों में मधुर झनकार तुम्ही से है, और ये हसीन जलवा ये मस्त बहार तुम्ही से है। इस दिल के तारों में मधुर झनकार तुम्ही से है, और ये हसीन जलवा ये मस्त बहार तुम्ही से है। दिल तो ये मेरा सनम तेरा तलबगार था, तेरा तलबगार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। इन प्यार की राहों में कहो तो अब खुद को मिटा दूं मैं, और चांदी से कदमों में धड़कते दिल को बिछा दूं मैं। इन प्यार की राहों में कहो तो अब खुद को मिटा दूं मैं, और चांदी से कदमों में धड़कते दिल को बिछा दूं मैं। तुझे मेरे जीवन पर सदा इख्तियार था, सदा इख्तियार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। थैंक यू।
क्या बात है जिग्नेश भाई, ब्यूटीफुल।
थैंक यू।
रूमानी मूड में हमें ला दिया। That's lovely.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Sticking with the romantic theme, and it is the holiday season, so let me try to take you to Paris. And we do now have Shammi Kapoor in the house. So staying with Shankar Jaikishan and Mohammad Rafi and staying in the 60s, I want to request Naren ji to convince us that we are having an evening in Paris with रात के हमसफर थक के घर को चले। अभी घर को जाने का समय नहीं आया, लेकिन पेरिस जरूर आप लेके हमें चलिए।
Thank you so much again for nice introduction again. कम से कम न्यू जर्सी में बैठे बैठे इवनिंग इन पेरिस को शेयर कराते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं। थैंक यू। रात के हम सफर थके घर को चले, झूमती आ रही है सुबह प्यार की, देख कर सामने रूप की रोशनी फिर लुटी जा रही।
है सुबह प्यार की। सोने वालों को हंसकर जगाना भी है, रात के जागतों को सुलाना भी है। देती है जागने की सदा साथ ही, देती है जागने की सदा साथ ही। लोरिया गा रही है सुबह प्यार की, रात के हम सफर थक के घर को चले। झूमती आ रही है सुबह प्यार की। देख कर सामने रूप की रोशनी, फिर लुटी जा रही है सुबह प्यार की। रात ने प्यार के जाम भर कर दिए, आंखों आंखों से जो मैंने तुमने पिए। होश तो अब तलक जाके लौटे नहीं, होश तो अब तलक जाके लौटे नहीं। और क्या ला रही है शुबा प्यार की, रात के हम सफर थक के घर को चले। झूमती आ रही है सुबह प्यार की। देख कर सामने रूप की रोशनी, फिर लुटी जा रही है सुबह प्यार की। क्या क्या वादे हुए, किसने खाई कसम, इस नई राह पर हमने रखे कदम। छुप सका प्यार कब हम छुपाए तो क्या, छुप सका प्यार कब हम छुपाए तो क्या। सब समझ पा रही है शुबा प्यार की, रात के हम सफर थक के घर को चले। झूमती आ रही है सुबह प्यार की। प्यार की, प्यार की, प्यार की।
Lovely, Naren bhai, that is lovely. You know, Shankar Jaikishan was such a talented duo, and the riffs that they got, the orchestrations, the nuances, the way the song used to flow was absolutely magical. And this is one of their such a lovely song as well. It got that groove to it. Um, I'm gonna switch to an absolute favorite composer of mine, and this is a team which gave us the fabulous soundtrack of Gumrah. And a few years later, they teamed up again, and I'm talking about Ravi and Sahir Ludhianvi, Mahendra Kapoor, and B.R. Chopra, along with Sunil Dutt, from Gumrah to Humraaz. Slightly different theme, more of a suspense thriller towards the late 60s. And this movie also got Mahendra Kapoor, I believe, his first Filmfare, if I'm not mistaken, but for Neele Gagan Ke Tale. But this song is Tum Agar Saath Dene Ka Wada Karo, which I actually prefer more to Neele Gagan Ke Tale. And fabulous song in his soulful voice. Naren bhai, I invite you again to take us to Humraaz and Mahendra Kapoor.
Thank you so much. Thank you again. कोशिश करते हैं. As you mentioned, Sahir Ludhianvi, one of the finest writer as well. It's one of my favorite songs too.
अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नग में लुटाता रहूं। तुम मुझे देख कर मुस्कुराती रहो, मैं तुम्हें देख कर गीत गाता रहूं। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नग में लुटाता रहूं। कितने जलवे फिजाओं में बिखरे, मगर मैंने अब तक किसी को पुकारा नहीं। तुमको देखा तो नजरें ये कहने लगी, हमको चेहरे से हटना गवारा नहीं। तुम अगर मेरी नजरों के आगे रहो, मैं हर एक से नजरें चुराता रहूं। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नग में लुटाता रहूं। मैंने ख्वाबों में बरसों तरासा जिसे, तुम वही संगे मरमर की तस्वीर हो। तुम ना समझो तुम्हारा मुकद्दर हूँ मैं समझता हूँ तुम मेरी तकदीर हो। तुम अगर मुझको अपना समझने लगो, मैं बहारों की महफिल सजाता रहूं। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। मैं अकेला बहुत देर चलता रहा, अब सफर जिंदगानी का कटता नहीं। जब तलक कोई रंगी सहारा न हो, वक्त का फिर जवानी का कटता नहीं। तुम अगर हम कदम बनके चलती रहो, मैं ज़मीं पे सितारे बिछाता रहूं। तुम अगर साथ देने का वादा करो, मैं यूं ही मस्त नगमे लुटाता रहूं। तुम मुझे देख कर मुस्कुराती रहो, मैं तुम्हें देख कर गीत गाता रहूं।
Thank you so much.
वाह, क्या बात है. You know, when I hear Ravi and Sahir, a composition by them, I feel like the song should never end, should keep on flowing. It's such a beautiful pieces of music that they've written, and this is certainly one of them. Switching ahead by a decade, moving ahead to, in fact, the first couple of songs that we had this evening and the next song were are all based on Bengali books and stories, and also Bengali films. And this one is by Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay, and obviously you know him through Devdas and Parinita and such, but this is a story that he had written, Swami, which was made into a movie by that quintessential fascinating grasp of the domestic setup that Basu Chatterjee had, and only he could bring that to life. And we have a couple of Basu Chatterjee and Yashodash songs for you today, and this one is Ka Karo Sajni from the movie Swami in the 70s. And I invite Aanchal ji again to come and bring this song to life.
Thank you, Krishna ji. So this is
music by Rajesh Roshan, inspired by the Thumri style of almost semi-classical music. So really nicely sung as well by you.
Thank you.
We move on a decade ahead. In fact, this happens to be the debut film of somebody who was in the news inadvertently, in fact, Sunny Deol. And in this movie, Dharmendra has a small appearance, and he actually plays the father of Sunny Deol's character. And of course, Dharmendra has been in the news recently, and we wish him the very best as he recovers at home now, which is very heartening to hear. This is also a movie where Raj Khosla and Wahida Rahman came together after more than 20 years. They had a falling out, and then they came back. And this is a song also sung by Suresh Wadkar and Asha Bhosle. Music by R.D. Burman, and soundtrack by lyrics by Anand Bakshi. The movie itself, being Sunny Deol's debut movie, is called Sunny, and the song is Aur Kya Ahde Wafa. So back to you, Anchal.
वफा जब रुला लेते हैं जी भर के हमें, जब सता लेते हैं जी भर के हमें, तब कहीं खुश वो, तब कहीं खुश वो जरा होते हैं। और क्या अहद वफा होते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं जुदा होते हैं। और क्या अहद वफा होते हैं, और क्या अहद वफा होते हैं। Thank you.
क्या बात है आंचल जी, that's lovely.
Thank
You
you.
know, R.D. Burman, absolutely the magic that he created, and this is one of those songs. And people go on, they pass away, but their music lives on. And this is such a beautiful tribute that you ended up paying inadvertently to R.D.
Thank you so much.
His brilliance. And there is something about, I believe this tal of the song is Dadra, because that's what I could learn tabla a long time back. But there is a sweetness to songs composed on Dadra, which is absolutely wonderful. Jagdish Singh used to use that a lot, and this one especially, RD and his genius. So we're going to jump ahead one more decade into the 90s, and I'm going to call Jignesh ji back to the floor. Now, today does happen to be Children's Day. And there was a movie which is a go-to movie for parents when it comes to kids, at least for those times and for many decades later as well, which is Masoom. Now it's not a children's movie, but it certainly features a lot of children and has some beautiful songs in it, especially Lakdi Ki Kaanchi. Now this movie is Papa Kehte Hain. This is Masoom coming of age, and the reason is because as a kid, Jugal Hansraj was there in Masoom, in the Shekhar Kapoor movie, again RD. And this movie is Papa Kehte Hain, Mahesh Bhatt movie now, with Jugal Hansraj becoming a young man and singing this absolutely riveting popular song which was on our speakers and TV and loudspeakers for so many weeks. This is his song with Walking Nonchalantly with घर से निकलते ही.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You very well said actually. So let's do this. घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। कल सुबह देखा तो पाल बनाती वो खिड़की में आई नजर। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। कल सुबह देखा तो बाल बनाती वो खिड़की में आई नजर। घर से निकलते ही मासूम चेहरा नीची निगाहें बोली सी लड़की बोली अदाएं ना अप्सरा है ना वो परी है लेकिन ये उसकी जादूगरी है। दीवाना कर दे वो एक रंग भर दे वो शर्मा के देखे जिगर। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। करता हूँ उसके घर के में फेरे हंसने लगे हैं अब दोस्त मेरे। सच कह रहा हूँ उसकी कसम है मैं फिर भी खुश हूँ बस एक गम है। जिसे प्यार करता हूँ मैं जिस पे मरता हूँ उसको नहीं है खबर। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर। लड़की है जैसे कोई पहेली कल जो मिली मुझको उसकी सहेली। मैंने कहा उसको जाके ये कहना अच्छा नहीं है यूं दूर रहना। कल शाम निकले वो घर से टहलने को मिलना जो चाहे अगर। घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उस जिसका घर कल सुबह देखा तो बाल बनाती वो खिड़की में आई नजर। थैंक यू सो मच।
Beautiful. क्या अंदाज में गाया आपने जिग्नेश भाई. This is lovely. You brought the freshness of and the simplicity of youthful romance so beautifully in the song. Rajesh Roshan, but Javed Akhtar's lyrics and such simplicity and such, as I said, youthful emotion, and you brought it really well. I was hearing the lyrics and you were singing it. Gaur kar raha tha, and Ladki hai ya paheli and saheli. There's beautiful, simple romance of the adolescent and early adulthood period. So, very nicely sung.
Thank you.
We move on to a different kind of and a different era of romantic music by the extremely talented, versatile Ravindra Jain. And he incidentally wrote the lyrics himself for this. And again, Basu Chatterjee and Yashodas come together in this blockbuster movie which did sweep the box office that year, which is Chitchor. And interestingly, the original Barjatia, and we know the Barjatia family and Rajshri Productions through Hum Aapke Hain Kaun and Maine Pyar Kiya and others, but this was also a Rajshri Productions movie by Tarachand Barjatia, who set the ball rolling, so to say. And again, this movie is based on a Bengali story. It was remade a few times after the Hindi version. It was remade in Tamil and Telugu, but I hear it was also remade or at least inspired a subsequent, many decades later, Bengali film. So it went full circle in terms of the inspiration cycle. So here is the melodious Yashodas with this lilting love song, Jab Deep Jale Aana. And back to you, Jignesh ji, for this.
Thank you so much. Such a nice description and knowledgeable things to about the song and the composer and everything. So yeah, good to learn. Every day is a learning. Okay, here we go. जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना, संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना, मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना। मैं पलकन डगर बुहारूंगा, तेरी राह निहारूंगा, संवारूंगा मेरी प्रीत का काजल तुम अपने नैनों में मले आना जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम जहाँ पहली बार मिले थे हम जिस जगह से संग चले थे हम नदिया के किनारे आज उसी अमवा के तले आना जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना नी रे गा मा गा रे सा सा नी पा पा मा रे गा सा नी सा गा पा मा पा नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं नित सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं उन्हें देख के तारे खिलते हैं लेते हैं विदाई दूजे से कहते हैं चले आना जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना संकेत मिलन का भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार न बिसराना जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Very soulful indeed. The talented Ravindra Jain could not see. In fact, that's an interesting segue to the next song, and I'll tell you what I mean. Because Ravindra Jain was blind, and it is my absolute pleasure to invite Dr. Tushar to the mic. And Dr. Tushar, in this Thanksgiving season, all of you are familiar with him and all the work that he does, but this particular Sunday he is organizing an afternoon full of music and fun and food for a very noble cause, and it is to prevent blindness in rural India. So I found it interesting that we're just coming out from a Ravindra Jain song and to jumping a few decades ahead with a very much more complex love story and a complex song which has interestingly from the mid 2000s. This is the movie I'm talking about is Veer Zara, which is obviously a cross-border love story and a complex romance which has which survives time. And this movie absolutely swept the box office, much like Picture. And it seeks to highlight what happens to simple everyday people's lives when they are affected by nations which are are at war, are in turmoil, and at absolute loggerheads with each other. So the music was incidentally given posthumously by Madan Mohan. So his son Sanjeev Kohli, who you might know him as the Saregama person, which used to be HMV much earlier. So Sanjeev Kohli dug through Madan Mohan's archives and found a few songs and found found several tunes and presented them to Yash Chopra, and they selected a few which featured the music and soundtrack for Veer Zara. So it's my pleasure to invite Dr. Tushar. Thank you again for all that you do and the noble causes that you vanguard for us. This song is another Udit Narayan song and another Javed Akhtar song, and we'll have them again soon. This is Janam Dekh Lo Mit Gayi Duniya.
Kisli, you got muted.
Yes, I was saying that you can start the song, Dr. Tushar.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Kishle, for that wonderful introduction, as well as our singers, Jignesh, Naren, and Achal, to join for this wonderful 293rd episode of Shame Gana. We are only 6 shy away from our 300th episode coming on January 3rd. So thankful to all the singers, musicians, supporters, all the friends who comes Friday after Friday for the last 5.5 years. So I'm so thankful to all of them. Kisli, you are doing a wonderful job in hosting this wonderful show.
Thank you, Doctor.
जन्म देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। कैसी सरहदें, कैसी मजबूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। छुपा ना सकोगी मैं वो राज हूँ, तुम भुला ना सकोगी वो अंदाज हूँ। गूंजता हूँ जो दिल में तो हैरान हो क्यों, मैं तुम्हारे ही दिल की तो आवाज हूँ। सुन सको तो सुनो धड़कनों की ज़बान, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। कैसी सरहदें, कैसी मजबूरियाँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। नहीं मैं अब तुम्हारे ख्यालों में हूँ, मैं जवाबों में हूँ, मैं सवालों में हूँ। मैं तुम्हारे हर एक ख्वाब में हूँ बसा, मैं तुम्हारी नजर के उजालों में हूँ। देखती हो मुझे, देखती हो जहाँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। जानम देख लो मिट गई दूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। कैसी सरहदें, कैसी मजबूरियां, मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। मैं यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ हूँ, यहाँ। Thank you.
क्या बात है डॉक्टर तुषार, that was lovely. Brings back the soulful feeling when we watched Veer Zara. And from one superstar Shah Rukh Khan to another, which is Amir Khan, one lovable pair, which is Preeti Zinta and Shah Rukh, to another absolutely adorable pair of Manisha Koirala and Amir Khan. And the movie I'm talking about is Man. And just like Akele Hum Akele Tum, which is obviously a much more complex film based on Kramer versus Kramer, this movie, Man, is based on An Affair to Remember. And again, Udit Narayan, who sang, I think, all the songs in this film. Beautiful, youthful voice of, an evergreen voice of Udit Narayan. So I call upon Dr. Tushar to sing that very, very popular number, which will get your foot tapping, Nasha Ye Pyar Ka Nasha, from Man.
Thank you so much. Again, Kishle. नशा ये प्यार का नशा है, ये मेरी बात यारो मानो, नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो। नशा ये प्यार का नशा है, ये मेरी बात यारो मानो, नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो। कि जब से मैंने तुमको दिल ये दे दिया, मीठा मीठा सा दर्द ले लिया, सुनो प्रिया, मैंने तुमको दिल दिया। नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो। नजर से यूं मिली नजर, दीवाना मैं हो गया, असर ये क्या हुआ असर, कहाँ ये मैं खो गया। बहके कदम, बहका है मन, छा गया मुझ पे दीवानापन। सुनो प्रिया, मैंने तुमको दिल दिया। नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो। झुकी झुकी निगाह में बला की शौकियाँ छुपी, खुली खुली लटों में भी हाय घटा की मस्तियाँ रुकी। ये हया ये अदा ये हंसी ये नयन दे गए मीठी मीठी चुभन। सुनो प्रिया मैंने तुमको दिल दिया,
नशा ये प्यार का नशा है, ये मेरी बात यारो मानो।
नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो। कि जब से मैंने तुमको दिल ये दे दिया, मीठा मीठा सा दर्द ले लिया। सुनो प्रिया मैंने तुमको दिल दिया,
नशा ये प्यार का नशा है, ये मेरी बात यारो मानो।
नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो।
नशा ये प्यार का नशा है, ये मेरी बात यारो मानो। नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो।
नशा ये प्यार का नशा है, ये मेरी बात यारो मानो। नशे में यार डूब जाओ, रहो न होश में दीवानो। Thank you so much.
क्या बात है Dr. Tushar bhai, lovely, lovely, very nicely sung. It's such a interesting movie as well, and it shows the sacrifices that true love makes you make. And I really enjoyed the movie, and I'm not going to give any spoilers here, just in case somebody has not seen the film, but it's really well made. So, and thank you for bringing that to life tonight. We switch back a few decades, switch gears to a movie that I'm not sure how many of us would have seen. It's a bit of a mini lost gem, a movie called Taqdeer from the late 60s. It's based on a Konkani film set in Goa, the Hindi version, featuring Bharat Bhushan and an absolutely beautiful Farida Jalal. So I highly encourage you to see her in this film. She's really at a very youthful age, and she's definitely a good actor. The movie itself is a very emotional drama, and you can see it in its songs. This particular song is a bit of an old lost gem from the years gone by, and Naren will bring it to us, bring it to life for us tonight. It's a Lakshmikant Pyarelal tune, one of the only Lakshmikant Pyarelal tunes in the night. And the song is Akash pe baitha hua, likhta hua hai wo taqdeer. Naren bhai, welcome back to the floor.
Thank you so much again. Once again, thank you, Tushar bhai, Industry Way, and Isle bhai, explaining very beautifully. ये गाना जो है उन्होंने जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि तकदीर मूवी का है. वेरी रेयरली हर्ड दिस सॉन्ग, बट just last week I was sitting down and I happened to come up on my kind of playlist or anything like that, and I just loved it. So I thought, just give it a try. जिसको खुशी से जीना हो, ये बात वो जान ले, मर्जी हो जो भगवान की, हंस के उसे मान ले, मान ले। कोई जाने भला ख्वाबों की ताबीर, आकाश पे बैठा हुआ लिखता है वो तकदीर। किस रंग से जाने बने जीवन की तस्वीर, आकाश पे बैठा हुआ लिखता है वो तकदीर। जिसको खुशी से जीना हो, ये बात वो जान ले, मर्जी हो जो भगवान की, हंस के उसे मान ले, मान ले। जिससे बने गम भी खुशी है ये वही तदबीर, आकाश पे बैठा हुआ लिखता है वो तकदीर। दो रोज की ये जिंदगी किस चीज का नाम है, हर एक सुबह है बेखबर, अनजान हर शाम है, शाम है। किसको पता ढूंढे कहाँ सांसों की जंजीर, आकाश पे बैठा हुआ लिखता है वो तकदीर। कैसे कोई जाने भला ख्वाबों की ताबीर, आकाश पे बैठा हुआ लिखता है वो तकदीर, लिखता है वो तकदीर, लिखता है वो तकदीर।
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Naresh bhai. And lovely the way you took us back to this soulful song and gave our audience today a feel for that very emotional film. And at that time, Anand Bakshi was still at a relatively younger phase of his career, and from this movie on, he became a prolific writer and very sought after in the Bombay film industry.
Thank you.
I move back to Jignesh ji, and we've had a lot of blockbuster films tonight, but this particular one, a movie called Zeherila Insan, if you've heard of it, actually bombed at the box office. But and interestingly, it was made by from a Kannada movie, which was a pretty big hit, set in the Chitradurga area, which is a few hours from Bangalore. It has a fort and beautiful landscape as well. But this song was a big hit for Kishore Kumar, composed by R.D. Burman, Majrooh Sultanpuri writing the lyrics. And all of you know this song, which is Oh Hansni Meri Hansni. So, and Rishi Kapoor featured in this film. In fact, he was a little disappointed with the way the film performed in the box office, because he was not too long after the success of Bobby. But it certainly gave Kishore Kumar this famous number and R.D. Burman song. So, Jignesh ji, back to you for Oh Hansni Meri.
Thank you so much. That's a lovely description. ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली। ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली। आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा रे तेरा गजरा, आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा रे तेरा गजरा। ओ आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा रे तेरा गजरा, ओ आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा रे तेरा गजरा। ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली। देर से लहरों में कमल संभाले हुए मन का, जीवन ताल में भटक रहा रे तेरा हंसा। ओ देर से लहरों में कमल संभाले हुए मन का, ओ जीवन ताल में भटक रहा रे तेरा हंसा। ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली। कहाँ उड़ चली। चली।
Thank you so much.
Lovely, lovely. That was beautiful. And so we've reached nearly the end of our show this evening, and we realized we built up expectations. That last number was so beautifully sung. We've got you into the mood, and so we want to take this crescendo to the grand finale with this lovely rocking number. So if you've been relaxing on your couch, having a glass of wine or even tea, I want you to get up, get on the dance floor with this rollicking finale, for which I call back Anchalji. And this is Shankar Ehsaan Loy tune from the remake of Dawn. Dawn, The Chase Begins Again, where another father and son duo got together in the mid-2000s, which is Farhan Akhtar and, of course, Javed Akhtar. So, and this is also a bit of a good tribute to the original Dawn starring Amitabh Bachchan. Just as we pay tribute to the masters of Hindi film music who have, mesmerized us for decades. So here is the foot tapping Aaj Ki Raat performed by the very talented Aanchal.
Great hosting, I must say. What a great hosting, Kishleji. And thank you for the last song. Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Wonderful, Archie. What a lovely way to end. We'll go around the room for a round of thanks. But before I do that, I do want to say, आज की रात होना है जो हो जाने दीजिए. Enjoy the evening, enjoy the night, and I hand it over to Naren first for a few words, and then go around the room.
Hi. Thank you so much, Indus TV, Dr. Tushar Bhai, giving me opportunity this again, on this Shamegana. I hope you guys enjoy the show. We tried our best, to make it as much as entertainment as possible, Thank you, Kisle, for doing a wonderful job. Such a nice, knowledgeable everything in there, and the way you put it down, song after song, and absolutely, hats off. Take care. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Naren bhai. Jignesh
Thank you so much. Sorry, I thought I was on mute. No, thank you again. A wonderful hosting and a wonderful platform, Indus TV. Thank you. And Kishle, there was such a nice description of each song and each movie about the actor and actresses. So you really nailed it. So that was very great to keep people connected. And thank you, Tushar bhai, once again. As always, wonderful platform. And I enjoyed singing with the co-singers and everyone. So yeah, great. And all of the friends who stayed awake, a couple of them were in the UK and around in the US to enjoy and encourage us. So I sincerely thank all of you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Kishla ji, Tushar ji, Jignesh ji, and Naren ji. Thanks, Naren ji, for allowing me to sing from your place. And thank you everyone who listened and applauded for us. And it was a great pleasure. It's my first time here, but I enjoyed every bit of it. Thank you so much, Team Shamegana. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. It's been an absolute pleasure being your host for this evening. 293 episodes. Imagine. And it cannot happen without the support of all you loyal listeners tuning in week after week. As we head towards the all important 300th episode milestone, I thank you. हम आपके बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं. All our listeners from the US, from India, from the UK, and everywhere else, thank you so much for being so loyal to us. And certainly would love to thank Vijay Garg, Indus TV, and Dr. Tushar. Thank you for the platform and the joy that Shamegana brings to so many people week after week. It's a remarkable achievement, and we're so glad to be part of it in any meaningful way possible. This concludes this episode of Shamegana. We hope to see you again next week for another enjoyable episode. Till then, thank you and good night. Shubh Ratri.